Dan, I know we were just saying Bill Ackman doesn't see value at these levels. Neither do you. How should Netflix be valued? Like one of those pure play media companies, or like a technology company or a digital ad player?
I think it should be valued like a pure play media company. I mean, all we've really done, if you think about it, Deirdre, is we've changed from a cable bundle to now a streaming bundle. So, I was watching Netflix and Amazon before the pandemic. Now I've got HBO Max, I've got Peacock, I've got some international ones because I like to watch some of those programs. So I've got multiple different streaming stuff. And so that's all you've done. And if you remember, you still got the same problems with streaming that you had with media, which is increasingly people are spending a lot more time on social media or playing online video games. You know, TikTok, the average user is spending about an hour and a half on that platform. So these are all the same problems as before. You just changed it from cable to online streaming. And that's why Netflix, I think, should be valued like the pure play media companies.
Yeah, Dan, like you, my family, too, has been adding on service after service. It is feeling just sort of like this separate, even more expensive kind of bundling. So when you look at Netflix versus some of the others, just spoke to Julia about HBO Max, where is it positioned? I mean, there is chatter, and that churn that we saw the past quarter, is that reason for concern? Maybe tell you that if consumers are going to cut, it might be a Netflix?
Well, here's the thing that people forget. Go back to the June quarter of 2019. They had negative subs in the U.S. back in 2019 in the June quarter for the first time since they split their, DVD mail-in business from their streaming business. They were already at saturation. Then the pandemic came along and everybody's stuck at home and all we can do is stream. So that bailed them out. And now we're right back to where we were before the pandemic. So this has been going on for a while. It's just the pandemic has thrown off a lot of trends. And now we're seeing some normalization in those trends. And, on top of this, you've got Apple in this game. You've got Disney in it. You've got Comcast in it. These are massive companies. Obviously, Amazon's already been there. But you've got massive companies with huge cash flow streams from other businesses that they can use to subsidize streaming. And Netflix has one thing: streaming. They don't have amusement parks, they don't have movies, they don't have merchandising, and they don't have an ad supported service. So they've got a problem relative to these other guys.
They don't have those things yet, but especially on the ad-supported model part, they laid out very clearly that that is their intention. So is that an exciting enough new revenue stream that you think could add a lot of value to the company? What did you make of the announcement as well, and the idea that they would maybe outsource it? Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, I mean, for us, we covered our short. The stock's down a lot, and so we are pretty disciplined when a stock is technically oversold, we get out of it. But as I responded on Twitter yesterday to a question, I said, look, if you look at Facebook, the stock got hit for 26% the day they reported. The stock has then gone down, I think, from like 150, it closed about 126, I think, or so afterwards, and it's continued to fall from there as the valuation is compressed to about 14, 15 times or so. And so I think with Netflix, you've got the same issue where I may not be short it, but I certainly don't want to be long it, because you look at where the other pure play streamers are trading at 10 to 15 times, Netflix is still around 20 times earnings. So you could see a lot more room to go down before you say, well, maybe this is fairly valued. And the ad stuff will certainly help, but they're doing it from a position of weakness, not strength, if they had done this a year or two ago when they first had these problems with saturation.